Picture this, you open 3 tabs at once, a stock chart, a news feed, and a blank notes file. You want one clear answer, but your research is scattered across live prices and half-finished articles. Today I will walk you through Capital Forge AI, my dual agent finance research team built with Agno. It pairs a web agent with a finance agent, then a team coordinator stitches their findings into one reply. This is not a magic trading bot. It is a self-hosted research desk you can run and read. Here's a single general-purpose chat often mixes stale web gossip with soft numbers. You ask for NVIDIA and you might get a pretty paragraph with no live price and no analyst table. Finance research really has two jobs. One job is live market data. The other job is broader web context. Capital Forge keeps those jobs in separate agents, then coordinates them with GPT-4o. Meet the web agent. Its tool is DuckDuckGo search, so it hunts market news, macro trends, and sector context. Meet the finance agent. Its tools come from YA Finance, so it can pull price, analyst ratings, company info, and news. The team coder sits above both. It delegates, weights, and synthesizes one unified answer for you. Every conversation lands in SQLite, so you can continue a multi-turn research session later without losing the thread. On the screen, Agent OS gives you a chat interface, typically at localhost port 7777. Before we open the code, keep this mental map. Question in, team rotes, specialists work, history saves, answer out. First, look at the real folder layout from the GitHub repo, so nothing feels mysterious later. You will see app. Pi, that file boots Agent OS, P project, Tom, README, MIDI, LICNC, and the Capital Forge package folder. You get config, Pi for defaults team, Pi for the agents, and a tiny init file that marks the folder as a Python package. Python cache, NV secrets and agents, DB, so keys and local chat history never get committed. Requirements, test with me in Visual Studio Code. We will read every dependency line. The first line is OpenAI version 1 or newer. That is the official client your GPT-4o calls travel through. The second line is Agno version 2.10 or newer. That framework gives you agent, team tools, SQLite memory, and agent OS. The third line is DuckDuckGo search. Without this package, DuckDuckGo tools cannot search the web. The fourth line is eFinance. Without this package, eFinance tools cannot pull live market data. The fifth line is Clalchemy. Agno SQLite storage leans on it under the hood, so keep it in the install list. At PyProject, Tom, it names the project Capital Forge AI version 1.0.0. It rePython 3.10 or newer, sets the MIT license, and points homepage and repository to the GitHub URL. Author metadata list sharedcare and hello at sharedcare in matching the README credit. Alright, open Capital Forge /config. Pi, the small settings file. The first line sets API to Capital Forge AI. That string becomes the team label you will see in Agent OS. ORCT and AUH-ORG-HUB are project credits. They document who built and maintains this desk. In and AUH-ORG-HUB points to GitHub, com/sharedcat equals git4. That is the brain both agents and the team coordinator will call. Equals agents db. That file is where Agno stores conversation history on disk. Now look at Wayfini and CE2LS. It is a Python list of 4 tool names the finance agent is allowed to use. First tool string is get current stock price. That is how the agent asks for a live quote. Second is get analyst recommendations. That pulls buy, hold, and sell style rating summaries. Company info. Think sector industry and the company story in structured fields. Fourth is get company news. Fresh headlines tied to the ticker, not a random web crawl. Tiny file, big clarity. Defaults live here, so team. Pi stays readable. Open Capital Forge /team, Pi. This is where the two specialists and the team are born. We import agent from Agno agent. That class is one specialist with a role, a model, and tools. DB SQLite. That connects the agents to agents. DB for memory from Ag models. OpenAI. That wraps the GPT-4o chat model. We import team from Agno. Team is the coordinator that owns member agents. We import DuckDuckGo tools and eFinance tools. Those are the toolkits each specialist will hold. Module, SQLite DB file, and Alifinus tools from our config module. First factory function is created web agent. It returns an agent named web agent. Role is search the web for information. That short sentence steers what the coordinator expects from it. A chat was set to OpenAI model. Same brain family as the rest of the team. Tools equals a list with DuckDuckGo tools. One toolkit focused on search equals the chess glide B. Add a history to context is true, so past turns stay in view. Markdown equals true, so answers can use headings and lists that read cleanly in the UI. Financed agent. Name is finance agent. Role is get financial data. Again, we attach OpenAI chat with the same model ID. Tools equals finance tools and includer tools is RY finance and C2L's list from config. That include tools argument matters. We only grant the 4 finance tools we listed, not every possible helper. Instructions is a list with one coaching line. Always use tables to display data. That nudge pushes the finance agent toward markdown tables instead of messy prose for numbers. Added history to context and markdown match the web agent so both specialists remember the same session style. Agent a team. It builds both agents, then returns a team. Name plus team, web plus finance, so you can spot it quickly in Agent OS. Members equals the list of web agent and finance agent. Those two are the workers. The team itself also gets OpenAI chat and markdown true, so the coordinator can write a clean synthesis. Iterated returns glideb with the dbf file set to SQL dbf file. That one line is why your research chat survives a restart. Oh bye. This is the Agent OS entry point, short and intentional. First we import Agent OS from Agno.os. That is the web app shell for chatting with teams. Create agent team and create a database from Capital Forge. Team, database. Agent team equals create agented team with that DB. Agent OS equals agent S with teams set to a list containing agent team. Get app. That exposes the FastAppify style application object. Agent OS. Serve runs app as app:app with reload true. Reload true means code edits can refresh while you are developing locally on time path. Config names tools. Team builds specialists. App serves the desk. Let me give you a concrete research walk. Imagine you type what is NVIDIA current price and latest analyst recommendations. The coordinator should lean on the finance agent for the quote and the rating table. If you also want sector headlines, the web agent can search while finance fills the numbers. Here is a second example I like for learning. Compare Apple and Microsoft on fundamentals, news and analyst ratings. Now both tickers matter, so the finance agent may pull 2 info blocks and the web agent can gather recent articles. Third example, search semiconductor sector news then summarize key stocks. Web leads finance can verify tickers with live context. Fourth example, get Tesla company info and find recent web articles about earnings. That is a perfect handoff across both agents. Why this pattern beats one lonely agent is simple. Tools stay sharp, roles stay clear, and the team answer stays structured. Markdown tables from finance make prices and ratings scannable. Web search fills the story around the numbers. SQLite history means you can ask a follow-up like, now compare that with AMD without repeating the whole brief. Who is Capital Forge for? Investors who want market data and web context in one workflow. Developers learning Agno multi-agent team patterns with a real finance example. Finance analysts prototyping an AI research assistant before they wire a bigger stack. And anyone who wants a self-hosted web plus finance agent desk on their own machine. To run it yourself, clone GitHub. com/sharedcare/capitalforge. Change into the folder, then install dependencies from requirements. Texty with pip. Key as OPAI API key in the environment. That is the only required key. Run Python app. Py and open the agent OS URL shown in the terminal. Try one focus prompt first, price plus analyst for one ticker. Read the table. Then ask a follow-up. Remember the disclaimer out loud with me. This desk is for informational research only. It is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence before any investment decision. Agents can be wrong, late, or incomplete. 2 specialists, 1 coordinator. Live data plus web context history in SQLite. Chat in Agent OS. When your next research question wants both a number and a narrative, send it to Capital Forge and watch the team split the work.